5-6 days, what I have been doing is what the theory chapters are, in which straight away questions come, like nature and scope of objective, ethical requirement, audit program, audit documentation. In these chapter, judgment based question doesn't come much. They are straight away theory based questions. So, and we need to maintain accuracy. The more accurate we are, the more marks we'll get, and they are easily scoring. So sir said to continuously revise and write what we have revised. Like first in the 1 hour, whatever you revise, write that on a paper. Then after 3 hours, whatever you revised in that 3 hours, write again that on the paper, and then do the midday revision, and then same thing followed for the second half of the day, and do the last day and revision also. And so in that way, you will revise whatever you have studied in the whole day 5 times. So in that way, there is a higher chance of getting that particular thing which you need to remember getting registered in your mind, and like that is all the effort you can do, and whatever the result will come, it will be shown in the
So show your work. So all of this you have written.
Yes sir.
This has all the chapters.
Yes sir. Audit all the chapters.
So everything is handwritten. Yeah.
Everything is handwritten, and like that is all.
So how helpful is the process for you in building your confidence and also competence?
Sir, competence definitely. Earlier it was very difficult for me to actually remember things, but with this, actually I'm able to remember, if not all, many of the major keywords, and it is also helping me when I'm reading, correlating with each other. That okay, I remember this keyword being here, even though I wrote it and learned it, but actually my mind remembered, okay, this was the keyword here. So that helped me for overall understanding also. So that actually helped with correlating things, and whenever I studied any new topic, then that topic didn't seem new anymore.
Right.
That was like, okay, I have studied this before also. Like if I learned objective, now if I am studying anything related to that objective, so I am able to remember, okay, this is nothing but the objective in a little more detailed form.
Right.
So that was very helpful in remembering. Like today morning only I studied initial audit engagement. So there are 3 evaluation, and then further they have given only elaboration on that evaluations only, like objectivity, how to measure that, competence, how to measure that, and then the internal audit approach is systematic and disciplined, how to explain that. So that way it helps in mind mapping also.
Wonderful.
So it's quite helpful.
So overall, you're confident in auditing now.
Yes.
So we're expecting good score. Can we do that? Can we expect a good score in auditing from you?
So I can give my all. That is the most I can do. I can.
But at least when we started and right now,
obviously there is a huge gap in where I started and where I am right now.
Happy with the progress?
Yes.
So you're saying the mark sheet will speak for itself.
The mark sheet, I can't say sir, but I have tried whatever I can try.
That's quite humble of you, and very, very impressed with your work, Tushar. All the best.
Thank you, sir.